Hi. Knowing the knowledge source or knowing the knowledge type or obtaining a knowledge is not sufficient, because with time we learn a lot of books but we hardly remember something. See, if I look back that what I studied during my graduation, during my bachelor degree, I hardly remember many points. Everything looks too blurred to me now. If I look back in my schooling period, there's very few things I still remember. Most of them bypass. So what I like to suggest you here, that learning the language or grabbing the knowledge is not sufficient. Again, here you need to be pretty clear that we are talking about the knowledge around your ideas, not every type of knowledge. All right. So when you're grabbing the knowledge around your ideas, you have to use your knowledge. So how to use the knowledge? Well, after grabbing the knowledge, you need to recall the knowledge again and self-analyze it. Judge the knowledge you obtain. Okay? And this will help you to develop a different perspective by yourself. Secondly, the knowledge which you obtain, try to discuss those knowledge with your small group, with your trusted friend. This helps you to get a different perspective of the people. Maybe the way you obtain the knowledge, you obtain it the way you are, but there is a other perspective also which you don't know. So while discussing with your close group, it will help you to understand a different perspective. So another way is to use knowledge is to test your knowledge on your idea. Like put your knowledge, what you learn, into your idea to give them a shape, to give them a form. All right? And let's see whether your idea looks better or not. So by keep mixing your ideas and knowledge will help your ideas to get a better shape with time. So far we learned there is a 3 way we can use the obtained knowledge: self-analysis, brainstorming with friend, and applying the knowledge on the idea. Now we are going to see that what should be our knowledge acquisition strategy. Shall we learn everything from A to Z? No. See, at this point, I don't know the situation of your business, but whatever is your stage, what you need to, first of all, what you need to understand, that look at your knowledge around your idea and then list out all the knowledge you need to have or you don't have. Okay? And then look into your network. Does anybody in your network having those kind of knowledge? Well, if no one have this kind of knowledge, then either try to obtain that knowledge by yourself or try to meet the people, try to get in the network with the people who having that knowledge. So this will help you to stay resourceful and stay motivated to implement your idea to start a successful business. Thank you again for your attention. See you in the next video.